Back here at the Monona Academy of Dance with Wisconsin Family. We're going to talk with Jo Jean later on in the program. She's going to let us know what's been going on here with the Monona Academy of Dance and Dance Wisconsin. But first, we're going to talk cleaning. And we're joined by our good friend Chris Koenig from Natura Clean. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good, very good. Spring is in the air, obviously. It's a little cold today. I saw my first robin. Did I tell you that?
Oh, good. I haven't seen one yet.
Yeah, I saw it just a couple days ago. I was going to take a picture of it, but it flew away. He looked really cold, though.
We need photo evidence, though, Jesse.
Yeah, right. Yeah, this could have been in my mind. But anyways, now that spring is almost here, obviously people are either thinking about doing spring cleaning, or some people might be thinking about changing homes, upgrading, downsizing, whatever. Does that affect you guys in your business?
It does a lot. In fact, that's what we've been focusing on the past couple of weeks, and will continue to into the spring, because the real estate market is so hot. We're doing all kinds of real estate cleans.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So what kind of cleanings do you do when people are looking to either buy or sell a home?
Yeah, so one is we're getting the home ready to be put on the market. So we're cleaning it before the photos are taken or videos are taken. That's really more of a deep clean. The other types are move in and move outs, and that's where things are out of the home and we're going in and we're cleaning inside cupboards and drawers and cabinets, and in addition to doing a deep clean.
Wow, when you said deep clean, that's like super deep.
It's super deep clean, yes.
Double deep. It's
Right,
a whole new level of
exactly.
deep.
That's one place, boy, if you haven't gone into your cupboard or even your refrigerator for a while, it's amazing how that stuff can accumulate.
Yeah, it
Yes.
really can. It really can. So how is a move-in or move-out clean different from a deep clean? I mean, you talked about cleaning out the cabinets. Is there anything else that you guys do?
Yeah, so it is really more that we're going in and cleaning inside of things. So with getting it ready to be put on the market, we're going in and we're doing a deep clean, but things are still in the home.
Yeah.
So with the move-in or move-out, things are completely gone. They're out of the home, and there's so many more surfaces to clean. So
Right.
like if you think about a drawer, people think like, oh, you clean the front and you clean the inside.
Right.
But on a typical drawer, there's about 16 different surfaces to clean.
Yeah.
When you pull it out, I mean, just pull out a drawer and take a look at your drawer and see like how many sides and tops.
The
of
rails too, I would imagine.
Exactly, that's part of the 16 is the rails on the sides. Yeah.
Wow, that's incredible.
Especially if you have pets, I suppose, that can really
Yeah.
influence.
Yeah, when you move all the furniture out, there's pet fur, there's stuff in places you didn't even know you had. So yeah.
So are you typically working, I mean, is it the homeowner that's giving you a call saying, hey, I'm thinking about listing my home, can you come out and clean it for me? Or do you work with realtors at all?
We do both.
Okay.
So sometimes realtors will call us. Other times the realtors will have the homeowners call us, and then sometimes the homeowners just do it on their own.
Sure.
So usually we're dealing with the homeowners, but usually it's a little bit of a push from the realtors saying, hey, you need to call Natura Clean and get this to a point where we can take photos. And
Right.
and then for move-ins, move-outs, usually people want to be nice to the people moving in and clean out their dirt before the new people come in.
Really?
And then,
We've never done that.
Really?
I say that. I mean, we'll vacuum and stuff, but I mean, it's like they're probably going to deep clean it anyway once we're gone. So.
And they do. And so then the people moving in also want it deep cleaned. And,
Right.
They don't want to be moving their stuff into other people's dirt, so they
Right.
want it deep cleaned before they move in.
Just their own dirt is okay.
Yeah. We actually were doing a move out or a move in clean one time for a company, and they were having a carpet cleaning company come on the same day, which, by the way, do not schedule cleaning and carpet cleaning on the same day.
Okay.
That's bad.
Okay, good tip.
But it just happened that day. And the carpet cleaners came. They happened to be the same carpet cleaners that had cleaned those carpets the week before. And they're like, we already did these last week. We don't need to be here.
Oh, that's
Right.
interesting.
Wow.
Yeah.
So aside from not scheduling the carpet cleaners and the home cleaners at the same time, are there other tips or things that people calling to schedule these things should know?
Yeah, so I think a lot of people think like, oh, I'm going to kill like 2 or 3 or 5 birds at the same stone, with the same stone, and they try to schedule everything on the same day, and you can't. So don't have painters come in.
Right.
Don't schedule carpet cleaning. Let the cleaners have the day to clean, because they're going to be there for the day cleaning.
Right.
And let's see, some other things are, you need to be realistic in terms of your expectations. It's not a $200 job, even if you have a tiny little 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. It's not a $200 job. So understand that when there's more surfaces to clean, it's going to take longer. So having realistic expectations are very important. And when you're calling cleaning companies, when you call us, we've been doing this for a long time, and we know how long it's going to take, and it's
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
We have the experience behind us. We know.
Yeah, we've talked about that in previous shows where you talk to somebody and they say, oh yeah, it only takes this person that I hire an hour to clean my house, and you say that's not possible.
Right, yeah, exactly. We did it this week. We had a move out clean, and the person was so realistic. In fact, she was, like, I wasn't being realistic. She approved us up to 25 labor hours, and for this, it was a medium, just small size condo, and I was thinking, wow, that's way more than enough time.
Yeah.
Except she knew how dirty it was, and
Yeah.
it actually took 26.75 labor
Wow.
hours. So,
Wow.
so yeah, so her expectations were really good.
That's good.
So no matter how, except for her, no matter how long you think it's going to take, it's probably going to take
It's probably
longer
gonna
for
take a little bit
a move in or
longer.
move out. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Well, Chris Koenig from Natura Clean, thank you so much for joining us. All natural cleaning products and services and techniques. We always learn so much from you. Don't go away. There's more Wisconsin Family coming up after the break.